It's time to talk about the Spanish verbs. Let's divide the verbs into two categories. In this course, we are going to focus on regular verbs. The good news is that what you learn now will also be useful for the other types of Spanish verbs, so pay close attention. We have three different groups of verbs in Spanish based on their endings. Whenever you see a word ending in AR, ER, or IR, you are probably looking at an infinitive. What is an infinitive? It's a verb in its non-conjugated form, the simple base form you find in a dictionary when you look up a verb. To conjugate these verbs, we need to break the word down. First, we separate the ending, we remove the last two letters, and what remains is called la raíz, or the root. Then we add the appropriate endings. In this table, you can see the verb endings. Keep in mind that these endings are the same for irregular verbs as well. And it was all for today. See you in the next lesson.